A Z-Pad bottle drinking water filling line. Experience the precision and power of the Z-Pad bottle drinking water filling line in action. Watch as our state-of-the-art machinery expertly handles every stage of the bottling process, from efficient filling to reliable sealing. Our innovative technology ensures the highest standards of cleanliness and safety, delivering crystal clear water to your customers. Transform your production line with the Z. Watch the video and see the difference.
恒源 focus on efficient packaging machines.